In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your website in Wix, focusing specifically on site ownership. Whether you're passing your digital creation to a new owner or simply stepping away from your current project, this process is fairly straightforward. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, you'll need to access your Wix website. Head over to your browser and navigate to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. It's important to ensure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple sites, as this will prevent any mix-ups during the transfer process. Once you're logged in, look for the site you wish to transfer. You should find the Add Site Actions button within your site's dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a menu with various options, and among them you'll see the Transfer Site option. Click on Transfer Site, and you'll be guided through the next steps. Now you'll need to enter the email of the new site owner. It's crucial to double-check this email address to ensure accuracy, as this is where the transfer notification will be sent. After entering the email, you'll be prompted to provide a brief description of the new owner. This could be a business partner, a new manager, or perhaps a client if you're a developer handing over the site. Select the option that most closely matches the new owner's role or relationship to the site. After entering the new owner's information, click Continue. You'll see a box that needs to be checked to confirm that the transfer is intentional and that you're aware of the ownership change. Make sure to check this box and proceed by clicking Continue once more. Next up, you'll see a final prompt to confirm the transfer of ownership. Once you're ready, click the Transfer Ownership button. This will initiate the email notification process to the new owner. Don't worry if it takes a moment, as these systems sometimes need a minute to process. The new owner will then receive an email detailing the next steps. You might want to follow up with them after you've completed your end to make sure they've received the email and aren't encountering any issues on their side. And there you have it. We've just walked through the entire process of transferring site ownership in Wix. Hopefully, this video has provided the clarity you need to carry out the transfer smoothly and successfully. If you run into any issues or have questions, Wix support is a great resource to consult. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site transfer.